How did I install Ubuntu on USB flash drive? Plus running in VirtualBox machine. Linux is open source, can detect at any disk. Even if you have USB flash drive, you can install on hard disk or USB flash drive. All you need to install on USB flash drive is 16 or 32 GB. The required for Linux size hard drive is different to another Linux Ubuntu, so you have to know the required before you install favorite Linux on your USB flash drive. As you can see, it's running normal on USB flash drive in VirtualBox machine. The version of Linux is Ubuntu 22.04.3 LTS desktop. If you have any questions for install Ubuntu on USB flash drive or any other Linux you like, write your comments and tell me what you like to install on the USB flash drive.